In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy items on Amazon or in the Amazon app. And first, we need to open Amazon on the website or the Amazon app. And now we have many options for purchasing an item. For example, we can browse for products right here, but we can also search for a specific product. For this case, let's just type in iPhone 17 Pro case. I'm going to type this in, and now I have many products here. If we have found a product that we want to buy, we simply click on it, or we can add it to the basket directly, but we don't need to do it. We can first click on it to see more informations. Then we can scroll down, and there are two options right here. So we have add in basket, which is basically you putting it in the basket, but you're not purchasing it right away. But you can also purchase it right away. If we click on buy now, if you add it to the basket, you can see everything right here that you put in the basket, and you see how many things you put in the basket. For example, for me it's 10 right now, but yeah, if we want to buy the product right now, we click on buy now. And first we need to select the payment method. If you don't have this enabled already, click on pay with, and here you can add new or select, for example, monthly invoice or a card or whatever. You can also use a gift card, and then basically click on continue. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.